If you are a hobbyist or new to the trade, it can be rather intimidating to go to a local metal supplier like Alro or metal supermarkets. So this is what you need to know. 1, call them before you go in and ask for a quote on whatever material you're looking for. If you don't know what your material is called, go to mcmastercar.com and do a search for it there. Use whatever verbiage is on McMaster when you talk to the people on the phone at your local metal supplier. Sometimes they will be able to give it to you right away, right there on the phone. Sometimes they'll need to call you back in a few hours or the next day. You don't need any sort of account with them. You don't need to be a registered business. All you need to do, ask them for a quote. Once you are ready to pick up the material, you just drive over, you walk into their business office, you tell them who you are, and they will give you a receipt for the material you just purchased. And then generally they will either have someone load the material into your car for you, or they will have you pull through their building where one of their guys will load the material into your car for you. So don't be intimidated to go to a local metal supplier. You know how to do it now, go do it.